Let's continue, students. Question number 3 of exercise B. You are given this value and single term you have to find out. As I already told you, a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square. 2ab will get cancelled with each other. When you will write a into 1 over a and a will get cancelled. So this we have to find. This value is 18 minus 2 6 16. Under root of 16 is 4. In the second part you have to find a minus b whole cube. So that is simple. We can do cubing of this equation. Clear? You can do cubing of this equation. That is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to 64. So this value is 4. Put it here. So from here a cube minus 1 over a cube is equal to 64 plus 12 76. Question number 4. You are given a plus 1 over a and you have to show this. Single to cube. That means I need to cube both the sides. So cubing both the sides. This will be a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b is equal to p cube. A and a will get cancelled. A cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3. What is the value of this expression? That is p. Given already, equals to p cube. Can I transpose it that side? Yes. And now p can be taken common. You can compare with what we have to show. It's exactly same. So hence proved. Fifth question. This expression is given single power and you have to find cube. So for that what we have to do? Cubing both the sides. So same way you can see. You will do cubing both the sides and you will get the answer. Sixth question. From square to cube. That's not possible. So for that I need to find out single power first. So if I remove square from this side, it will change to root. Now I can do cubing of this equation in order to get cubes. So cube of this. So before solving that, I can show you what is root 3 cube. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? 3 under root 3. That means the value of root 3 cube is 3 under root 3. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. I already told you, or on the side also I have written here, root 3 cube is 3 root 3. So a cube plus 1 over a cube plus a and a will get cancelled. What is the value of this expression? Root 3. Now when you will take it that side, that will get cancelled and answer is 0. Seventh question, children, this is given and you have to show. Again single to cube power. But I know cube of only 2 terms, and here how many terms are given? 3 terms are given. So what I'll do? I'll transpose one term that side. So I've taken c over there. Now I can do cubing both the sides. Clear? This is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this side minus power 3 will be minus c cube. Term as it is 3 2s are 6ab. Now value of this expression already we got, that is minus c. So replace it. So this will make it minus 6abc is equal to minus c cube. A cube plus 8b cube. Now c cube I will transpose this side. Why? In order to get the same result. Clear? That's equal to 6abc. That's what we have to prove. 8th question. Using the property, find the value of this expression. So children, what is the property? Here only we have done the property in this question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. This is the property. I already wrote here and we proved in 7th question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So why to waste time? What I did, let me check whether a plus b plus c is equal to 0 or not. 13, b is minus 8, c is minus 5. 13 minus 8 is 5, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Yes, this condition is applicable. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3 into a into b is what? Minus 8, c is what? Minus 5. Clear? Now you can multiply, that will be your answer. Same thing I did here. So a plus b plus c, check it. Yes, it is 0. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. You can multiply. Now test of this week, children, that is of logarithm. Question number 1, evaluate log root 27 upon log root 3. Second question, solve for x. Clear? Third question, express as the single log. And fourth question, show that log 3 9 plus log 3 3 is equal to this. Clear? Thank you class. See you in the next class.